Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Thursday, September the 19th, 2024, we have here three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the three-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the Four Stars Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier, deadly walkie-talkies explosions in Lebanon. Not pages, not pager anymore. 2 days ago it was a pager, and this time is walkie-talkies. Yeah, a lot of casualties. I believe more than 13 people are dead in Lebanon. Yeah, so the war is still going on in Israel. Yeah. Anyway, enough about war. This one will be number 9297. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits, truly a 4 stars Sudoku. It's kind of indication of the difficult level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 2 2s, 3 3s, 4 4s. Well. How about the 5s? 3 5s, 2 3 6s, no 7s, 2 3 8s, and 3 9s. So the 4s are in majority. Can I start with a 4? Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, no, only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4, well, now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. About the 4, no, still I cannot continue with the 4. Okay. We have a pair here. The 3 and 8 in this row, first row. The 3 and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Shoot it there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have 4 and a 5 in this column. Middle column, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 7. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, okay. 7 and 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. That means 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between. Only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level 6 should be there. Then let me think. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That means that those 2 boxes should be the 7 and the 5. In the second row, 7 and a 5. Okay. Alright. Okay. How about the 3 in this column, the 3 in the column next, so last column, no, only place level 3. Should be down. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. I need a 5 here. Well, I need a 5 here, okay. How about 1, 1. 1, 1. Well, let me think. 4, we have a pair. The 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 8 and the 3, we have 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 8 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. 1, 2, and 8. 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. Then Let me see. 2 and the 7 here. 2 and 7. Okay. How about 1 here? Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Yeah, digit number 3, number 4. Alright. Okay. And now, do we have all the... Nope, not all the 6s. 6s should be here. And I need... Yeah. 2 and 7, 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Come on. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, no, only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. I need 8 here also. Okay, cannot continue with 8 now. How about the number 1 here? 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have 1 and a 7 in this column. No 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes. Earlier we had the 6. So, we have a 6 now in this row. So, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Do we have all the 6s? And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. And we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 5 should be there. 7 and a 5, we have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number 7. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the the 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next on that column, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the 7, we have 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left, the 1 should be there. 1 in the 2, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this row, or in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between the only place left, the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And a 5, nope. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. Same numbers. No. The 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 14 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. 4 stars. Nope. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.